Hi again guys, it's Mike Buick here from Waverley Mitsubishi in the Waverley Auto Mall. Today I'm going to be showing you a beautiful 2018 Chevrolet Cruze Premier Convenience Package. Now there are many Chevrolet Cruzes on the market, not many with this particular package. I believe there's only 2 in the whole province and we are way below market value and way cheaper than the other one that's out there. So I'm going to be turning the phone around right now and showing you this beautiful car. Alright guys, so there she is, 2018 Chevrolet Cruze Premier Convenience Package. Now what does the Convenience Package give you? We'll touch on that in a second. When I move around the front you see that whoever owned this vehicle before put the hood deflector on it. And also for double security, if you notice the line on the top of the hood guys, that is the 3M wrap around the front. So they've double barreled on this one, they've 3M wrapped it and they've put a hood deflector on it. So that means stone chips should not be an issue on the front of this vehicle. To move around the side you've got your low profile alloy rims, beautiful alloy rims on the Chevrolet. We're going to move around the back for you guys. I'm going to show you the back. So in this one you've got parking sensors as well as the backup camera. So you're getting double barreled on both aspects of safety, and there's the Premier badge right there guys. Absolutely beautiful. Again, this has no damage on the Carfax, it's damage free. The vehicle come from Alberta guys, so you know it hasn't seen a harsh winter. So I'm going to open the vehicle door and I'm going to show you this special interior. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but I really like this car. So you have the tan door panels, the tan and black steering wheel, the tan dashboard, the tan seats, power of course, heated of course. When I move to the door you'll see power windows, power side locks, you've got the BOSE stereo system, auto headlights, you've got heated steering wheel, cruise control, adaptive lane departure warning I should say, sorry. You've got your telephone controls on the right hand side. If you look at the cluster, 43,127 kilometers on this car. That's way below standard factory average. You've got the original fitted Chevrolet floor mats front and back guys. I'm going to jump inside the vehicle. You've got auto high beams right there, and auto high beams mean that if your high beams are on the highway, a car's coming the opposite direction, the vehicle will basically recognize there's a car coming and turn your high beams off, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so you'll see the cluster, pretty straightforward there guys. We'll move over to the infotainment system. This has OnStar, you have navigation, you have options there to purchase apps, you have the screen projection option, and if you look up above you've got your sunroof right there, standard size sunroof, and there's your OnStar guys. So if you sign up for the subscription and you're in the middle of nowhere, hey, they'll be able to press that button, you'll be speaking to a live person within minutes. There you've got your USB and auxiliary cord, your 12 volt, which basically securely flap down like that, so they're not always in the open. You've got your heated front seats right there guys. And I move over here, you've got your parking assist. Perfect little snug to fit your cell phone in there. Storage, when I lift up the console, there's got the wheel locking nut, that usually goes missing. That's good that that's there. You got your wheel locking nut right there, so you don't have to worry. If I pan to the back, you'll see the rear seats are the same color. This color, I really like it. I mean, you may not, but I really like it. But if you do, then hopefully I'll see you soon. Now, the convenience package, you're going to be getting wireless charging. You're going to be getting the 6-speed automatic transmission. You're going to be getting the color driver information, Bluetooth for the iPhone, rear vision camera, compact spare tire. You're going to be getting the Premier True North Edition with this particular vehicle, and the Premier Convenience Package. You get satellite radio, includes a 3-month trial. You'll get that with us as well. 17-inch aluminum rims and the 1.4 turbo engine. So it's got a 1.4 guys, very, very fuel economic. And the Chevy Cruze obviously is domestic brand, so you know this will be very cheap to maintain moving forward once the factory warranty expires, and Chevrolet has a 5-year 100,000 factory warranty, with an option if you do purchase the vehicle to increase and extend and protect your investment by buying an extended warranty within our business office, which we'll take care of for you. But this is a very nice car. I'm going to step outside and I'll pop the trunk for you. So it is a hatchback guys, and there you go. Still a lot of space, and you do get the Cruze original cargo liner in the back there. So these are extras that you probably would have paid for, but now you don't because it's included in our price. And that price, we are below market value on this particular trim. Again, there are many Cruzes out there guys, but we are selling this for $19,647. Okay, that's $19,647, and we are nearly $400 below market value for this particular trim. Please don't get confused with other Chevy Cruze hatchbacks. This has the convenience package, so at the end of the day, you're getting a lot more bang for your buck on this particular unit. So again, if you're interested in this vehicle, I'm reachable on my cell at 204-801-6449, and we're in the Waverley Auto Mall. Only at Waverley Mitsubishi will you find cars way below market value. We have cars for every shape, size, and every situation that may occur in your life. We've got a car to match that. So come and see Mike at Waverley Mitsubishi. I'm here every day.